How to build a house in Sons of the Forest. So there are two ways you could do this. So you could do this by custom building it. So this method gives you total control but requires manual labor. So you are literally stacking logs one by one, which is of course will cost you a lot of time to build. So let's say you have a log right here and you're just going to basically stack it and build the house just by that. Or what you can do is use the blueprint mode. So if you don't want to design the physics yourself, use the blueprints. So open your survival guide by tapping on B on your keyboard and make sure that the book is in your left hand. So if it's on your right hand, just click on X on your keyboard. Then select a structure like a small log cabin. Then place this white ghost outline where you want it. So let's say I want to place it right here. You could also rotate it by using Q and R on your keyboard. And let's try to place it right there. And once that's done, you just simply need to carry logs to the outline and press E to add them. So I have one right here. And the game just basically handles the cutting and placement automatically. So as you can see right there, I'm adding the logs until it's done. And if it's done, it will just automatically lock like that. And you now have yourself a cabin right here. Also do note that you could command Kevin. So let's say I want to interact with Kevin right here by pressing on E. So there are tons of commands right here that you could use. But the one thing that you could use is by going to clear right here, which basically clears the area. So it could be 5, 10, 20 meters. So let's say I want to do that. As you can see, it shows the command right there. And he will just basically clear the area just like that. You could also make him gather logs. So if you click on him again, you will see this option right here, which is get. Then if you go to the right side, clicking on your D button, you will see the option to gather logs right there, which can of course help you on building your house. And there's also other options right here where you could just basically make him drop it here, follow me, or give it to me, just like that. And that is how I build a house in Sons of the Forest.